Recording your SAFARI Montage playlist presentation in Teams can be done very easily using the Teams recording feature. To record your playlist presentation or your entire Teams lesson, click the Start Recording button in the More Actions area on your Teams screen. The recording will begin and you'll see an alert reminding you that the recording has started. You can dismiss the alert and you'll continue to see a small red recording dot in the upper left corner of your Teams screen next to a running counter that will show you the elapsed time of your Teams session. You can then share your playlist, and everything you present will be recorded. When you want to stop recording, open the menu and click the Stop Recording button. You'll need to click a confirmation and we'll see an alert letting you know that the recording is being saved and that a link to the recording will be posted in your Teams chat history for that session. Once the recording is saved, you can access it by going into your chat history and opening the More Options menu. Select Open in Microsoft Stream. This will open your video in a separate browser where you can view, edit, share, or download the video. You should also receive an email alerting you that your video is saved and providing the link to the video in Microsoft Stream. An important note here, depending on your district settings, some versions of Teams may not save your recording to Microsoft Stream, and the recording may only be available in your Teams chat for a limited time. So you may want to download the recording from your Teams chat immediately after your session ends. Click on the More Actions menu and select Download Video. You can change the name of the file if you like and click Save. To add the file to the SAFARI Montage lore, use the Easy Upload feature in SAFARI Montage. Here you can use the Edit button to add metadata, including the title, description, grade level, and standards to your video. You can share the recording with others and even add it to a playlist. Once uploaded, you can find the video in My Files.